Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the stunning secrets St. James, Montego Bay in Jamaica. Get ready to be whisked away to a tropical paradise where luxury meets relaxation, and the Caribbean Sea is your constant companion. Let's start by diving into the accommodations at this adults-only haven. Secret St. James offers a range of suites that will make you feel like royalty from the moment you step inside. Picture yourself in a spacious room with a private furnished balcony or terrace, where you can sip your morning coffee while gazing at the turquoise waters or lush gardens. The suites are designed with a sophisticated blend of British colonial style and contemporary elegance, creating a romantic and tranquil atmosphere that's perfect for couples seeking a getaway. Now let's talk amenities. Each suite comes equipped with premium bedding that'll have you sleeping like a baby, air conditioning to keep you cool in the Caribbean heat, and flat-screen TVs for those moments when you want to unwind with a movie. But here's where it gets really exciting. Your minibar is stocked with top-shelf liquor, and it's all included. That's right, no sneaky charges for raiding the minibar here. And if you're feeling peckish at 3 a.m., no problem. 24-hour room service has got you covered. For those looking to up the ante on luxury, the preferred club suites are where it's at. These bad boys not only offer upgraded amenities, but also give you access to exclusive privileges. And get this, you even get to party at the nearby breathless Montego Bay Resort and Spa. It's like having a VIP pass to the hottest club in town. Now I know what you're thinking. Sounds great, but what about the food? Well, my friends, prepare your taste buds for a culinary adventure. Secret St. James boasts multiple restaurants, serving up a smorgasbord of international gourmet dishes. From fresh seafood caught right off the coast to local Jamaican flavors that'll make your mouth water. There's something to satisfy every craving. And let's not forget about the bars. Top-shelf premium drinks flow freely as part of the all-inclusive package. Whether you're in the mood for a fruity cocktail by the pool or a sophisticated nightcap, the bartenders have got you covered. Just remember, you might want to pace yourself. Those tropical drinks can sneak up on you. One thing to note, while the dining options are plentiful, you might want to make reservations, especially during peak times. Some guests have reported wait times of up to 50 minutes, but hey, that's just more time to enjoy a pre-dinner drink at the bar, right? Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at Secret St. James. The resort features multiple pools, including infinity pools that seem to merge with the Caribbean Sea. It's like swimming in a postcard. And if you're feeling a bit parched after all that floating around, just swim up to one of the pool bars. Yep, you heard that right, swim-up bars. It's like your drink comes to you. Now, if you're more of a beach bum, you're in luck. The resort boasts a sandy beachfront along the Caribbean Sea Peninsula. Picture yourself lounging on a beach chair, toes in the sand, with a frosty drink in hand. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try some water sports? Snorkeling, anyone? Just remember, during busy periods, you might want to channel your inner early bird to snag those prime beach or pool loungers. For those looking to stay active or work off all those delicious meals, the resort offers a fully equipped fitness center. You'll find all the standard gym equipment for both cardio and strength training. And who knows? Maybe they offer personal training sessions or classes. You'll have to check with the concierge for the latest offerings. Now, let's talk relaxation. The Secret Spa is a world-class facility offering signature treatments that'll have you feeling like a new person. Massages, facials, you name it, they've got it. And don't forget to check out the sauna and steam room. It's like a mini vacation within your vacation. One of the unique aspects of Secret St. James is its commitment to sustainability. The resort holds a gold certification by TravLife and a preferred by Nature Mark, reflecting their strong environmental stewardship practices. So you can feel good about your stay, knowing you're supporting a resort that cares about its impact on the environment. When it comes to entertainment, Secret St. James has got you covered. From daytime leisure programs to evening shows, there's always something going on. Live performances at the bars and lounges will keep you entertained into the wee hours. And remember, this is an adults-only resort, so you won't find any kiddie pools or children's clubs here. It's all about grown-up fun. Now, Let's venture beyond the resort for a moment. If you're looking to explore the area, you're in luck. Just a short distance away, you'll find Doctor's Cave Beach, a popular public beach that's easily accessible by taxi or shuttle. History buffs might want to check out the Rose Hall Greathouse, a historic plantation mansion that offers tours. And if you're in the mood for some shopping, dining, or nightlife, the Hip Strip area is just a hop, skip, and a jump away. But let's be real. With all the amenities at Secret St. James, you might not want to leave the resort at all. And who could blame you? The staff here have been praised left, right, and center for their friendliness and attentiveness. From the servers to the bartenders, the entertainment team to the front desk staff, everyone seems to go above and beyond to make your stay memorable. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some guests have reported that certain rooms appear a bit dated and in need of some TLC. But here's the good news. The staff seem to be on top of any issues, handling them promptly and without fuss. And let's face it, when you're in paradise, a small maintenance hiccup isn't going to ruin your vacation, right? When it comes to booking, you've got options. You can book directly through Hyatt's official site or check out third-party platforms like Booking.com. Just keep an eye out for those sweet promotions and packages. And remember, cancellation policies can vary depending on the type of rate you book, so make sure to read the fine print. So, what makes Secret St. James stand out from the crowd? Well, it's that perfect blend of luxury and relaxation, with a dash of romance thrown in for good measure. It's the kind of place where you can be as active or as lazy as you want. Want to try every water sport under the sun? Go for it. Prefer to park yourself on a lounger and not move for a week? No one's judging. The resort's commitment to providing an adults-only experience really sets it apart. It creates an atmosphere of tranquility and sophistication that's perfect for couples looking to reconnect or friends wanting a grown-up getaway. And let's not forget about that unlimited luxury concept. It's like they've taken all-inclusive to the next level. Now, I know we've covered a lot, but I've got to mention the events and conference facilities. While Secret St. James is primarily a vacation destination, they do offer spaces for corporate events and weddings. So if you're looking to mix business with pleasure, or say I do, with a Caribbean backdrop, this could be the spot for you. Let's wrap this up with some guest experience highlights. Picture this. You arrive at the resort after a long flight, tired and a bit cranky. But as soon as you step into the lobby, you're greeted with a cool towel and a refreshing welcome drink. The check-in process is smooth, and before you know it, you're being escorted to your room. You open the door, and there on the bed is a towel shaped like a swan, surrounded by flower petals. It's these little touches that guests rave about. Or how about this? You mention to a staff member that it's your anniversary, and later that evening, you return to your room to find a bottle of champagne and a plate of chocolate-covered strawberries waiting for you. It's these personalized experiences that leave a lasting impression. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.